Okay, so you've brought up your email and you've brought up your My Plan. So Maddie, go ahead and click on My Plan up at the top.
Where?
I know, you're almost there. There you go. Okay, and you've logged on, so go ahead and check your grades from here. So you click on Synergy, and it loads right away, of course, because we're making a video, and you guys are doing this along with me on your phone, please. And then go ahead and log.
Oh,
all right, cool. Oh, okay, and then click Gradebook, so your picture goes away real quick. Okay, so here's what you want to take a screenshot of. I don't want a screenshot on the app. I want a screenshot on the browser, okay? Reason being is the date, So if you go ahead and just scroll up just a little bit, okay? So it gives me the date up here at the top. Maddie, if you can just move the cursor up here. There we go. See how there's the date up there? So that's why I need it from the web browser, not from the app. The app does not give me the date, and it's too easy to recycle that same screenshot that has all your straight A's. Okay, so no screenshots from the app, only screenshots from the web browser. So Maddie, I'll do that part for you. So Control Print Screen. Okay, cool. All right. So now Maddie's got pretty good grades, except for, here's a C in integrated math 2. Okay, that happens to the best of us. If you have a C, D, or F in a class, you need to also screenshot the grade printout for that class. So Maddie, go ahead and click on integrated math.
That?
Yep. And then scroll down so I can see the grade book. So I can go and look like, how's Maddie doing on homework? Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, this quiz isn't graded. Oh, how's she doing on this homework? Ooh, that was rough homework. Ooh, quiz. Ooh, maybe that rough homework led to this rough quiz score. So now I know I can talk to Maddie about the correlation between doing her homework and getting good quizzes. I've also asked your parents to actually look at your scores and not just yell at you for a bad grade. Because that came from my mouth, Felix, I promise, right? Because I want them to talk to you about, hey, what's going on? Why aren't you completing the homework? Because I can see how it's affecting your quiz grades. What can we do at home to make sure you get your homework done? Okay? And it's not just, you're grounded till you die. Right? There might be some of that too, but I have no control of that. Okay, so then we're going to print screen this for any CDs or Fs. Okay. Cool so far? Yeah. Okay, then we go to our email. So go to your Google email. So go to the Google tab up at the top. Yeah, and then press the Gmail. It's underneath the red line. Almost, not that one, the next one. There we go. Okay. Yeah. And you're gonna bring up a new email. So you do the same. It doesn't have to be Gmail, so just compose. Sorry. Oh, now I know what you're into. Zillow, huh? Okay.
Where is the thing?
Compose. All the way up. Okay, you're gonna bring in a new email. Here's the important part. Avid, so type this into your to box. Avid 3, 4, not 1, 2. Don't let it autofill. 3, 4 grades. No space. No, and no dash. Just literally the number 3 and the number 4. Avid 3, 4 grades at gmail.com. Okay, and then over here in the corner where it says CCBC, click that. So right here, CCBC. That's okay, yeah. You want to CC your parents. You pick the parent you want to send it to. So go ahead and put in your parents' email. You don't know their email? You think if you typed it in, it would autofill? Try it. Let's see what happens.
Yep.
Oh, hey, okay. Subject, where it says subject, put your last name with a capital letter at the beginning, comma, first name, space, grade check. So it's last name, comma, first name, grade check. You can put the date if you choose, if that's helpful for your parents. I don't need the date because the email is timestamped. Okay. But if your parents want it for some sort of record keeping, that's fine. Okay, and then click on the body of the email. And then here's where you're gonna paste in your screenshots. So Maddie, we have to go back for the screenshots because I overrode. So go back to student view. Yep, click on just all classes. Oh. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna screenshot this real quick. So control, print screen. Okay, and then go back to your email. And then control V to paste. Okay, oh, that's okay, you got my double screen, that's fine. Okay, and then hit return. So here's Maddie's grades. Okay. All right, and then because she had that C, we also have to paste in the gradebook breakdown. Okay, so let's go back to your grades. And then hit integrated math. And we're gonna do control print screen again. She's getting a double screen because we're demoing this. So go ahead and paste that into your email. And it's control V. All right, so here she has grades. Here she has the grade breakdown for math. That was her only C. If she had another C, she'd have to do a grade breakdown for that class as well. If she had a D, she'd have to do a grade breakdown for that class as well. If you want to write your parents, bless you, any note, like, don't worry, Mom, I'm retaking this quiz, that's fine, you can put that in there. I'm just checking it for grades. Okay, so go ahead and send that, Maddie, and your grade check will be done. Send all the way down here. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to student view just so we don't have to peep on your email. And just go to gradebook. Okay, so some rules around grade checks. It's due Tuesday, 8 a.m. So 7:59 is fine, 8:01 is not. Right? If it's late, it's a 0. It has to have your parent's email on there. That's like your parent signing it. No parent email, it's a 0. Okay? Your grade checks are worth 30 points. They go in the collaboration category. They have their own little spot in the grades. So it doesn't matter what your grades are. If you do it on time and it's complete, it's a 30 out of 30. If you forget the grade breakdown, so say you have 2 C's and you only put 1 grade breakdown, it's -3 for each grade breakdown you forget. So if you get a 27 out of 30, you probably forgot a grade breakdown. That's why. Last but not least, if the date, so the lovely date up here, is not there, it's a 0. So don't make the mistake of doing it from the app. Do it from the web browser so I can see the date and I know that you're being super honest. Okay, let me end our recording here. Oh, you're right, this is really hard. Where's that mouse? Oh, there it is.